Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your headlight assembly on a Honda Ridgeline. And the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the front bumper cover, and I have a separate video on how to do that, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. And once you have your front bumper cover off, we need to remove these two bolts up on top of the headlight here with using a 10mm socket. And then there's another bolt over here on the side right here. And another one down here holding this bracket on. And then you're going to want to remove this plastic clip right here. It's just like the other plastic clips we took out earlier. Just want to pry around on both sides and just work the clip out. And then there's one more bolt to remove. And then, while pulling out on the headlight with one hand, we're going to pull up on this back tab right here with the other. And then also, while pulling out on the headlight, we're going to pick up on this plastic piece and pull out on the headlight. And it's going to come out as an assembly with that lower metal bracket attached. And then you can release the wire plugs by pushing on the tab and pulling out. And then this clip right here, you can just use a small screwdriver to push in on the tabs and the clip while pulling out on the wire, and it just releases it. And this other plug over here, same thing, just push on the tab and pull out. And same thing with this last clip down here, just use a small screwdriver and push on those tabs. And you can see right here, it's those little tabs there on the side. I'm just pushing in on them while pulling out. And that's it, guys. Got the headlight out. Thanks for watching.